I took the challenge to make 8 lakh, around $10,000 in the next 90 days, and I'm going to document my whole journey on my YouTube channel. In this video, I will share with you my 3-step plan, what business I'm doing, what product I'm going to sell, how I'm going to sell, and all the things. So I've been into affiliate marketing from the last 2 years, but I have not made much money with my business. That's why I took this challenge to make money consistently with my affiliate marketing business. So let me just quickly first tell you what is affiliate marketing, what this business is all about. So in this business, it is the easiest business model where you are going to sell other companies or other people's product, and in return you will make commission when someone will going to buy that product from your affiliate link. And you don't need to worry about delivery services, shipping charges, customer service. All of these things will be taken care of by the company. Also, you can work from anywhere, anytime in this business. So first I need a product that I'm going to sell, and to find a product, first I need to decide my niche, industry in which I'm going to work in. So what is the criteria to decide a niche? It's very simple. So I'm going to choose a niche that is something I'm interested in. So I have already decided my niche, that is make money online. Because it's very important, if you, let's say, if you choose a niche that you are not interested in, because when you start doing this business, you need to go more deep into it to understand the product, to understand your target audience, your market. And if you choose a niche that you're not interested in, then it become a burden for you. You will not enjoy to work. So always choose a niche in which you are interested in or you are passionate about. Or if you don't find any other, like you don't have any interest, or you don't find any niche, something like that, so there are 3 profitable niches, like health, wealth, and relationship. So let's say when how I decide my niche. When I started, I don't know like I didn't have any passion. So I go with the niches that are already profitable. So like health, wealth, and relationship, people always want to make money, want to better their relationship, and health also. But I know that I don't have any interest, or I don't know anything about health or relationship. So but I know a little bit about wealth, relationship, make money online. So I decided to choose that my niche. Now once you decide your niche, if I choose make money online, it will be a broad, like it's a very huge there it's a very huge market, it's a very broad audience. Okay, I need to choose a niche. Now I need to go deep into my niche. I need to choose a sub niche, and that's like in the make money online there can be different, like you can sell your own products, or it can be like real estate, crypto, and digital marketing, affiliate marketing. So because at that time I didn't have any experience, so I was just going to sell other people's product. So my sub niche was affiliate marketing. So now I know my niche is affiliate marketing. Now it's once you decide your niche or sub niche, then you need to choose a product that you are going to sell. So now I prefer to promote digital products rather than physical products, because it easy things become very easy with the digital products. Like you can just access any digital products just with your laptop. Also digital products pays you high commission rather than as compared to physical product. In the physical product you just get 5 to 10% commission maximum, but with the digital products you get to 30 to 50% commission, or maybe sometimes you will get 60%, 70% commission. So I always choose product that pays me at least 30%. I never choose product that pays me less than 30%. So always choose product that pays you more than 30% commission. Now what kind of product I like to promote, or let's say if a person want to start affiliate marketing, so what are the things he or she should keep in mind while choosing a product? So first, make sure you are going to make good commission. It's not like you just make $5 to $10. That will well, then you need to make a decent amount of money, or you need large number of sales to make decent amount of money. So that like you are paying that company paying you 30 to 50% commission so that you can make decent amount of money. Next is recurring. There are some recurring products in the market. So one thing I want to tell you, if you don't know what digital products are, so digital products are like courses, coaching programs, trainings, it's softwares like email marketing software, funnel building tools, SEO. So these are kind of digital products so that you can start promoting. Now choose product that pays you high commission, 30 to 40 50%. And you can also promote recurring products, and I love promoting recurring products. So recurring products pays you commission every single month without doing any work. I'll share an example with you. Let's say, suppose you one of um, let's say one of the person sign up to the software with your link, so you will get paid. Now if that person going to sign up, going to renew his subscription next month, you will still going to paid for from that software, from that company. So you don't need to pay work like every single month for new customer. Once if like there is a one, if you work for the one customer, you will get paid for you will get commission every single month. So choose product that pays you high ticket commission, recurring commission, and always keep a product also high ticket products, because that's where you are going to be profitable. You can make decent, you can make a living with this business if you are promoting high ticket product. Now high ticket products are those that makes you more than $500 commission. The cost of high ticket products are like $1,000, $2,000. I'm just taking very like basic like $5,000, $10,000 products are there in the market. So that pays you more than $500 commissions. And that if you are promoting high ticket product, like in the front end you can keep that's what I am going to do in the challenge. In the front hand I will keep low ticket product like $97 or $49, so that people start coming in. And then at the end, in the back end, in the high, like then I will also promote high ticket product. Because with the high ticket product I need 5 to 10 sales to make good amount of money, to make decent money, to make a living out of that. So this is all about product and niche. So I have been already choose, I have already decided my niche and my products also. Now one thing, for to win this challenge I need to know my numbers. I'll tell you what numbers are. Okay, I if I want to make 8 lakh like $10,000 in the next 90 days, I need to know how many sales I need, how many offers I need to put in, like how many people I need to send to the sales page. So for this, like say if I am promoting $200 product, that going to pay me $100 commission. So to make $10,000, I need 100 sales. So this is a number. I will go more deep into it in the next videos. In this video, I'll just give you overview, the like the my overview of my strategy. So once I know my numbers, because it will help me to track all the things, to know if I'm on the track or not, or I am just going nowhere. Now let's talk about the automated system. I'll tell you what is automated system is all about. I have my product that I'm going to sell. Now I need to build an automated system to build my email list. Now why email list? uh, all the social media platform, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, I don't own those platform. From Facebook or Instagram, anytime my account got banned or shut down and I cannot do anything. So where if you have an email list, then only you have a real business, you have a secure business, and no one going to tell you this thing in the starting, so that you can from the scratch you can start focusing on building your list. I have been into it's been 2 years, more than 2 years into affiliate marketing. Now I knew how important it is to build your email list and to build a secure business. So that's why I'm going to build my email list. Now to build an email list I need two things. First, I need a funnel. I need a lead magnet. I'll explain you. I'll be Today I will explain you, and in the next video I'll show you how I'm going to do everything. So funnel, if you don't know about funnel, it's a very simple two pages. Like there will be first opt-in page, and second will be thank you page. Now to build my email list, I need to give something free, for free, something valuable for free to my audience. It can be like any checklist, PDF, free training, or ebook. So I will give them something that we called a lead magnet. So I'll give them something for free, and in exchange they will give me their email. And so how it will going to happen, I'll create a funnel, opt-in page and thank you page. And on the opt-in page there will be a headline and the button. When they click on that button, they will enter their email address and name, and I will, so and that I like, there will be a software that how these all things will be connected. So and I will get the email in my software. So that's how all these things going to work. They will grab the email, and how I'm going to, like, how people will go to my funnel, I'll tell you later in this video. So I will build my automated system, my funnel and lead magnet, so that I can start building my email list. And that email list will help you to build trust within your audience. Once I have set up the automated system, I will start driving traffic to my funnel. And to generate traffic, I will, there are two kinds of traffic you can use. First is paid traffic, another is organic traffic, that is free traffic. So I'm going to use organic traffic. Now I what how I can use it, I will, like, I'm going to use social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, to generate traffic to my funnel, to my build my email list. As I told you, I have been into affiliate marketing for last 2 years. I have been creating content from last 2 years, but I was struggling to generate sales. And I have built an audience of 15K followers. My reels went viral. I got 1.7 million views in just less than 30 days, and built an audience of 15K followers on Facebook. So I have an audience that, and I'm going to use the same account for my business. Also, side by side, I'll be growing my Instagram and YouTube channel as well. So for the to generate traffic, I will use short form videos, reels, Instagram reels, Facebook reels, and some kind of like Facebook organic, and Instagram also. So this is what I will do with the traffic. Actually, I'll share with you everything when I'll start posting videos and all, how my videos performing and all in the upcoming videos. Now once I have traffic going on, then I need to work on the conversion part. And this is I know where I this is the like where I was lacking before. So I need to build a conversion system. So to convert my leads into sales, there will be 2 3 points. First, I will use emails. Like how I will use emails, I'll send them once they into my list. I'll send them emails. I can send them 2 3 times per week, or I can send them email daily. I'll educate them. I'll give value them. I will give value to them, and I'll share my story so that they can trust me. Uh, and once a while, I will also going to promote my product in the emails. And also I will start doing webinar free trainings in the upcoming days, and I will give to convert my audience, my leads into sales. So let me just so this is I now I told you the every step, and now I'm going to convert, like connecting the dots. So I have already decided my product. Then I built my auto funds. Like I will start using Instagram, Facebook to I will put out content with a specific call to action on my social media platform, on my social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. So, and I will put the funnel link in my bio, and with the and in the my bio and all. And from I will derive that traffic to my email list. I will give them lead magnet, and then from there they will give me their emails, and I will send them emails. I build relationship with them. Then this is the one point where I will also can sell them on the emails. and then I on the like weekly or in the 15 days I'll keep doing webinars. I'll give them value, and if they want to learn more they can join. I'll like if they want to learn more, I'll give them offer for my affiliate products, for my affiliate products. So this is the simple strategy I'm going to use to make 8 lakh $10,000 in the next 90 days. Now, if you want to know how I got 1.7 million views and built an audience of 15K followers in less than 30 days, then click here and watch this video.